Have you tried everything you can lay your hands on online and have failed and are still broke or not making the kind of money you dreamed of online? You are not alone. But let me show you now how to do it correctly and build smartly so that you can get the money you deserve. Here's the first and foremost thing you need to take note of and you need to do. Stop jumping from one program to another. That's the starting point. Stop jumping from program to program. Stop chasing the latest shiny object. I know you might feel desperate, but avoid it because desperation makes you chase hype. What you need now is stability. It might not be that all the programs you touched at one point or the other wouldn't have produced your results for you. Maybe you didn't stay long enough on any of them to get the results. So the first thing you need to do is tell yourself it is time for me to pick one model and stick with it. One program and stay with it. You shut your ears to every other thing. Hey, this wonderful opportunity, my friend did it. Shut your ears to it. Oh, everybody's getting it. Shut your ears to it. Once you have picked a program, the right program for you, and I will help you do that before the end of this video. So that's the first thing you need to do. The next thing you need to do is to choose one niche and one platform. For starters, choose one niche, one platform. If you want to pick a niche, I encourage you to pick a high-ticket niche. And if you can, pick a B2B high-ticket niche. In fact, make it the best. Make it an obscure B2B high-ticket niche. Why? Because these are places that are not oversaturated. The competition here is usually very low. And the margins you can make, the return on investment for your work is usually high. In this kind of niches, you can make $10,000 per month with just about 5,000 visitors a month. So pick one niche, make up your mind and pick one niche. When you've picked one niche, the next thing to do is to choose one traffic platform, one platform where you will build an audience. Yes, there are many options. Now, there are so many of them, but you must choose one and start with one and focus on one, master that one. If you ask me, I would recommend you just pick YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is one of the most and best leveraged traffic platforms there is online. You can get traffic from YouTube recommendations as from suggested videos, but most importantly, you can get traffic from YouTube search and Google search because Google owns YouTube. So when you create a good video, there are many entry points for you to get fresh traffic from. And if you build right and optimize correctly, one video you create today will not only give you traffic today, tomorrow, and next week. It will keep giving you traffic for months and years to come. So when you keep adding videos, you are like compounding your results, and your traffic momentum will keep what? Growing until you get a snowball effect. And when you do this correctly, your reputation on YouTube can become so strong that if you decide to go into other platforms, you will leverage your reputation on YouTube to what? Grow faster on those other platforms. So pick one good niche and then one traffic platform. That's the next thing you need to do. The third thing you need to do is plug into an already proven system. You don't get any points for reinventing the wheel. Don't try to. Find a system that already works and plug into it. So you will not be trying to test things that other people have tested and got results. You just what? Find one system that has been proven and follow the steps religiously, methodically, from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 to step 4 until you get the desired outcome. Why do I recommend this? Experimentation is for people who have got results and have the spare cash to begin to what? Do research and development. You are just coming in, you want to make money. So it is not time for you to begin to test theories and ideas. Go and what? Work with the tested and proven ideas and structures. And that's why you need to get a mentor, somebody who's been there and done that, who will look at your specific situation and give you per day advice at every point in time. Do it like this. No, 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 leave this for now. You will do this in the next 6 months. This is what you need to focus on. No, don't worry. This is not good enough. Yes, we know it's not good enough. Just manage it like that. The person can tell you when you leave things as they are and go on to other things. And that's why I will encourage you to join our mentorship program, where we will hold you by the hands and take you from where you are. No matter how low you are, no matter how little you know online, we will take you from where you are to a point where you start making $10,000 per month. It will take you only 24 months if you join us to go from wherever you are to $10,000 per month and more. If 24 months sounds like a long time, it is not really long, because what we are teaching you is solid business that will keep working for you for years and years to come. We are not here to hype you up. If you are not willing to give it 2 years to learn and understand a proven system that helps you build life transforming income, well, keep trying whatever you're doing. That's who we are, and that's what we promise you. If you stay with us for 2 years, we will guide you step by step. We will not do the work for you. We will show you what to do. So if you are interested in our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is $10K in 24. Click the link under it. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you still want to build up a passive income digital asset? You want to be able to make $10,000 per month, or even $20,000 per month, or a much lower amount like $5,000, $1,000, or even $500. Is there anything you can do? Yes. We have a special program we call DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. If you're interested in us building everything up for you, check the pinned comment or description below and check for the link that comes with that title. Whether you click the link to join the mentorship program or our Done For You program, once you click the link, you'll be taken to a page where we'll ask you for your phone number, your email, and your name. When you provide those and click the submit button, check your email immediately within 5 minutes. You will get an email asking you to confirm your email address. Open that email and click the link within it to confirm your email address. If you don't confirm your email address, the conversation will die there. So once you confirm your email address, we will take you through about 3 other steps. You'll be sent an overview document in an email along with a link to an application form. Make sure you read the overview document. It gives you an understanding of what the program you have chosen is all about. And then click the link for the application form. It helps us gather information to make sure you are the right fit for us and we are the right fit for you. The final step is to book a call. Once our system determines that you are the right fit for any of our programs, you will get an email with a link to a page where you can book a call with me. It will give you different times. Pick the one that is most convenient for you. Once you book a call, you will get another email that will come with my personal phone number. You are not to call me. Just save the number so that when I call you, you will know it's not a random stranger calling you, but a call you booked for. Then when that time comes, I will call you and you can ask all the questions you have about the program you have elected to be part of. Once you're satisfied, you can then make payment and join the program. The ball is squarely in your court. It's up to you to change your financial life, and you can do so within 24 months. When we say change, we mean life-transforming income. Think about it. $10,000 per month now, by our current exchange rate in Nigeria, is about 16 million naira per month. Think about what that would do for your family. Think about what that would do for your loved ones. Think about what that would do to your own personal vision and aspirations. The ball is firmly and squarely in your court. Click the right link now. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.